Hi, in this third tutorial on the Gradebook, I'm going to show you how to use the Quizzes tab and the Flashcards tab and the Archived Grades tab on the Gradebook. The Quizzes tab are the grades that you get from students who take some of your quizzes. Quizzes are going to look like this. In your teacher zone, you can make quizzes out of an activity, and when the student goes to do the activity, they're going to say the quiz is worth 20 points, fill in the blank. The point of a quiz is that there's a fixed number of questions and all the students receive the same questions, and so you can do more standardized assessment. So for when you create these quizzes, the grades are going to end up here, and it's going to look like a traditional gradebook where you're going to have the scores of the quiz right here. If you have many quizzes, they're going to keep showing up on the right hand side. And then this blue area is going to be the total amount of points that they've got scored over all their quizzes and their percentages. If you want to look at how the student did on the quiz, you click on the score itself. It opens up a window and you're going to see the 10 questions, and you're going to see the answer key, and you're going to see how the student did, color coded for right or wrong. Here you're going to see how much time they took, and you can delete the score if you want for whatever reason. And this is how you use the Quizzes tab. Flashcards. We have a flashcard functionality in the CONJUGUEMOS, which looks like this. Students can press start, and they can flip through the flashcards for vocabulary as well. And they can just practice on their own. And obviously there's no score to record on these. But once they finish the set and they're logged in, their time will be recorded, and that time can be seen here. So you can keep track of whether students are practicing flashcards in the site. And the final thing that I'm going to show you in this tutorial is going to be archived grades. Archived grades really only applies if you had grades in the old version of the site. We could not transfer those grades over because they were not compatible with the new system. So if you want to access grades before the new site was released, you click on Archived Grades, and it's going to take you to the old gradebook from the old site. These are archived grades. You can't do anything to them. You can't edit them. You can only really just see them. They're read-only. And so that is the purpose of the Archived Grade score, for you to access the old version of the site. In the last tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the listening grades, which is another new feature in the site, which I'm really excited about.